a 110-year-old company, and their headquarters is near Stuttgart in Germany. And it was there in the year 2017. INDEX first came to India and exhibited at IMTEX exhibition. But then, after 6 years, they're exhibiting here at ENGIMACH. I never seen a machine like this in my life. I was very much curious, and today we have Nithin M Naidu, the general manager of INDEX in India, to talk with us and tell us about the legacy what INDEX carries and your business in India. Makino is actually a partner to you in India.
Yes.
So to discuss all of this, we have Mr. Naidu. Welcome to Machine Maker.
Thank you.
2017 you came and exhibited. Why it took 6 years to come and exhibit this massive product in India?
Well, if you see INDEX as a market for machine tools, we very well know that the next machine tool industry that's going to dominate most of countries is going to be India. And in 2017, we didn't have a direct presence in India. But in 2019, we felt the need to establish our presence in India to promote our machines, which were already being sold through our dealers. And as on today, we have close to about 250 machines installed in India. And looking at the infrastructure and also the kind of industries we have in India, we did about research for about 9 months just to understand the Indian market and the industry sectors and what type of machines we'll be able to promote and to what type of industry sectors. And we really feel that this machine, multi-spindle INDEX MS32/6, is one of the key selling machines for us in India in the next coming years. We also do have other products, which are the turn wheel centers and the production machines, which we are also promoting in India. But definitely the INDEX multi-spindle is going to be the key selling machine for us.
This looks like an animal. And why this? Because I never seen this kind of products. What is it doing in this machine? When you're talking about multi-spindle,
yes,
I'm seeing so many toolings and so many things here. So
yes,
multi-operations are possible.
Yes.
So what is the benefit and what is it that if you can just explain to us?
Well, if you see in today's scenario or in the upcoming years, manpower is going to be a big task for people to locate and also have manpower with technical skills. So the whole idea of INDEX promoting these type of machines or all our machines, we only provide turnkey solutions. That means we try to limit the involvement of manpower when the production happens. We provide not only the automations through bar feeder, it can be through robo or gantry systems. This is actually a bar feeder where we can actually stack as many number of bars over here, and then this would be automatically loaded onto the bar feeder. The tubes are the other side. So at a time we have 6 bars that will be fed inside the machine, and these 6 spindles have different slides where different operations or process are already preset for the particular component. And after every cycle of the 6 spindles indexing, you get a component out. So the idea is to reduce the number of machines. Like for examples, there are cases where my one INDEX multi-spindle machine could replace 13 to 15 machines of sliding head or other turning centers. This saves a lot of space for the customers, and it also saves a lot on the manpower plus the power requirement. And also you get quality products out of these, and it's much easier for you to monitor the production of these components.
So when you are talking about 250 products you are already running,
yeah,
of INDEX, maybe
yes,
not multi-spindle,
yes,
but that itself is a big thing. Like I know
yes,
that this is going to be big machines. That shows that India is having a great opportunity for such big machines.
We did do a lot of research for 9 months, and we definitely realized that in the upcoming years, not only the INDEX multi-spindle machines, we also have the G series machines and the C series machines, and we also have the ABC machines, which we are promoting in the Indian market. Of course, we do also have sliding head machines, but these are very different than the other sliding head machines which you find in the market. But then we only promote these machines mainly in the aerospace or in the medical sectors. The main reason is because of the technology that comes in these sliding heads.
If an Indian manufacturer would like to get this into his shop floor,
yes,
what can be the approximate cost of this kind of machine?
Well, it depends. Like I said, we do have different models in the multi-spindle machines. It could vary anywhere from 900,000 euros to 2.5 to 3 million euros, because we also need to understand that when a customer first buys this machine, there could be a possibility that he would like to equip the first machine with most of the options so that the machine is as flexible as possible to produce different types of components. Many people have this notion that a multi-spindle machine is used only for single type, but no, this machine can actually produce any type of components for any type of sectors. And also when we talk about the change over time, this is much faster, unlike the previous cam control where people would need 8 hours or 2 shifts to literally change for one setup. Maybe we train the customers, they could change over maybe in 4 or 5 hours at the beginning stages, but on a continuous usage maybe in 3 to 4 hours.
See, actually, I was there in Germany this year approximately 5 times, and I was looking at Germany and India, and I found out what countries have a lot of similarity. But economics of scale is different. Opportunity because 10 rupees of our water will cost around 150, 200 or 300 rupees in some of the stores. So I thought, why can't we produce products here and then sell in Europe and make money? But once I start talking about this, once I talking to people outside, and some of the people from the Europe told that one of the challenge what they face in India is they don't get productivity. And maybe it is true, there are a lot of cultural changes we need to bring in. But after seeing this machine, because these are the kind of machines maybe is used in Europe predominantly, or these kind of quality machines which gives them the productivity, and I think the change is coming through machines like this which can also give the same kind of productivity as in Europe.
Yes.
And these can be the change what Indian manufacturing can have when we are going to equip for becoming a global hub for manufacturing, as our Prime Minister Modi thinks.
And the next 10 years is going to be a golden opportunity for our Indian customers. And the machines from Index, the Index type of machines, the multi-spindle type of machines is definitely going to be very helpful and useful for all our customers to help build our country's GDP.
Nithin Saab, it was really wonderful. I am so happy that I was able to talk to you. And before just closing down, I would like to know that what is it that your collaboration with Makino?
Well, it's a global decision, and Makino and Index, we have a global cooperation to support each other in markets globally. So where Makino is strong, like in India, they would support Index to develop our business here in India. And parallelly, we also have our direct sales. And similarly, like in Europe, Index is strong, so we will support Makino to develop business in Europe.
I always talk about collaboration, and again, a German-Japanese collaboration, something wonderful, and I think definitely both people are going to get benefited. Whenever you go, there is a lot of opportunity to learn. When seeing this machine, I understand I don't know anything about machine tools. Thanks for sharing this information, and we wish you all the best. It is not an easy task for you to have Index established in India and get your business growing.
Yes.
So all the very best.
Thank you so much.